this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a bicycle crate, or what this is. This goes on the back of a bicycle. I've got this little DYU bike over here, and what I'm going to do is mount this crate to it. But this crate is very interesting. Just let me show you one of the features that I like the most about it is the fact it folds down. Mash that orange button there, mash that button there, and then this, check that out. Is that not cool? Look how nice and compact this thing folds down. So this will mount on the back for like a carrying crate, and then when you want to put it up, it just goes like that. And look at that, that's awesome. Let me show you some of the things you get with it. So you get a little set of hardware. Here's all of the stuff that I got with mine anyway. This, I think this is a inside piece that goes on the inside. Yeah, what it is, it's a cover that drops down inside of it, or it's a rain cover that goes on the outside, and it's got a reflective striping. Well, that's pretty cool. We don't need that right now, so we'll put that aside. And then you get some little red dots and stuff, and these red dots you can put along here and along here, different spots. We'll put those over there for now. And here's the hardware that you're gonna mount this thing with. Now, the way this works, you're just gonna run, you see how there's a lot of different slots. You're gonna run this down through there, and wherever your bike mounts, you're gonna be able to mount this thing. And then you see these little bungees. These little bungees can go anywhere. So let's go ahead, let's pull the bike around and let's mount this thing up, because it looks like it's pretty simple to mount up. Okay, so the bike I have is the little DYU bike here. And you could see how this is pretty much maxing out this little small bike. But the way this works is these little brackets will go right along there like that, or they can go like that. I think mine would fit like this. So I'm gonna run under here. Of course, my neighbor starts mowing or working a chainsaw over there right as soon as I start doing this video. Yeah, it goes just like that, and then I put a nut on the bottom. Yeah, so the way it looks like one goes through the top like this, and you use that top one as a washer, and then the bottom one goes like that, and it lines up just like that. And see how it's gonna sandwich them in there. So let me go ahead and line these up, and let's see if we can get them to fit down in there a little better. Doesn't look too hard. It's basically just lining these things up. Uh-oh, we got Rocky coming over here looking what I'm doing. Yeah, once you get the first one lined up, it kind of holds it in place. And it looks like I'm gonna need to get a Phillips head screwdriver and a small little wrench to really put a torque down on them. Let me grab a screwdriver and I'm gonna tighten those up, and I think we're good. Turn on them just like that, with just holding the nut on the back side. I think that's it. I think it's on there. This thing went on there super simple. It was basically just lining the two screws up with these brackets here, and then the brackets under here. I don't know how well you can see them under there, but there's a bracket there and a bracket there, and you see how it's holding it on there. And then, like I said, it's a basket, and then when I want it to, I can fold this thing down just like that. I can run my bungees across them just like that, and it ain't going anywhere. That's gonna hold it in place right there. There you go, how about that? That worked great. And when I want to, I can just pull these off. Check this out. It's like a collapsible kind of basket. It looks like this bungee just hooks on the bottom or the sides anywhere. Yeah, just like that. It doesn't look like there's any type of hooking spot, so you just really just hook it wherever it grabs. Check it out, everybody. There it is. There's the full little bike crate on there that works perfect. Bungee hooks on there. So this thing is super light. It's on there really good, and I like the collapsible down feature that this thing adds to it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the little basket, basically an apple basket for a bicycle. See y'all in the next video.